Hey my study buddies, so today we are going to cover HTML. This tutorial follows the latest HTML5 standard. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a standard markup language for creating web page. It describes the structure of a web page. It consists of a series of elements. Element tells the browser how to display the content. An element label pieces of content like headings, paragraph, link, and all the other content. So here we have a small example. First we start with declaration and then HTML tag, HTML head tag, then title of the page, and then we go to the body tag where goes the main element like heading and paragraph. So we will now discover what does these tag means. The exclamatory doc type HTML declaration defines that it is a HTML5 document. HTML tag is the root element of an HTML page that contains all the tags. Head tags contain the meta information that we are going to study later. Title tag, it contains the title of the page. Body element defines the document's body, like what are the components that are gonna visible on the web page. Okay, so like headings, paragraph, images, hyperlinks. H1, that is a heading tag, it labels the heading, and the P element goes to the paragraph tag. So this is the basic structure. Okay, some tags like BR tags are empty tags. They doesn't have any close tag and does not contain any element. So these are the empty tag. Okay, so what is an HTML element? ये डिफाइन होता है हमारे स्टार्ट टैग से लेके जो हमारे एंड टैग तक, और उसके बीच में जो भी कंटेंट आता है वो सारा हमारा होता है HTML element. So like start tag and then content and the end tag. Okay, so tag name, start tag, content, and then the closing tag. So example like heading, h1 is our heading element. My first heading is the content and the h1/h1 is the end tag. So here goes the start tag and elements of all the tags and the ending tag, but br tag has no such content and no such end tag. So the end tag contains the backslash. Okay, so remember this, with the end tag we contain the backslash and the starting tag does not contain any backslash. So here goes the HTML page structure. The whole page is the HTML page which we see on the browser. The upper portion is the head where you see the title of the page, and the remaining part where you see pictures, headings, paragraph is the body part. So the content inside the body section will be displayed in the browser. Okay, like कि टाइटल जो होगा वो हमारी ब्राउज़र की टाइटल बार पे होता है. तो अब मैं आपको एक विजुअल स्टूडियो कोड पे लाइक VS कोड पे आपको एक छोटा सा HTML का कोड लिख के दिखाती हूँ. Okay, so remember, first step is declaration. Declaration is very important. You have to declare what you are writing, HTML. Okay, so you have to remember, whenever you write a code, its extension must be there. You must save your file name with its right extension, and HTML की extension है file का name .html. So here I have written this code and now I'm gonna run this on live portal. So whenever you will click on go live, that is just at the bottom of the VS code, you will see the whole page. Okay, whole web page. Try it yourself. If you get any doubt, then tell me. And yes, you must open your file in a folder and save it.